Hello everyone, it's Dana from the Daisy Round Library and I'm back with another holiday inspired craft. This one is going to be a fun book page ornament. So I've picked up a bunch of these clear plastic ornaments at the dollar store. You can get them as a 2-pack or a single pack, and I'm using my handy dandy Mod Podge. And some of you may remember from a few months ago we've been doing crafts with recycled book pages and books, and so I have cut all of the insides of those books up and I've cut them into little strips, and now I'm going to just quickly and simply Mod Podge them to the glass balls. And now I'm just going to open my Mod Podge and glue the little slips of paper in a random form to the glass ball. So you'll want to apply a good coating of Mod Podge. And I like to cut the pages into small strips. That way you don't get as many wrinkles in the paper that you would if it was a large piece. And you'll want to go over it as well. That's what makes the Mod Podge work. And you can do all the same direction. You can do, multi-direction. This is the part where it's up to your creativity. And if you even want to use a holiday or one of your favorite books, you can do that as well. Just remember to save those favorite passages for the top layer so they will be visible on the outside. Otherwise they'll be hidden by the multiple layers of little slips of paper that you put on. And so I'm just gonna keep gluing, and I will come back in a little bit and show you the finished product. Okay, I'm back, and you will see that I've only done about half of the ball, and the reason I do that is because if you don't have something to hang this from to dry, it will get stuck to whatever surface you're letting it dry on. So I'm only going to do half at a time so that I can dry it properly, and then I will actually show you another method you can do with these balls rather than Mod Podging them. So just give me 1 minute here. I usually have to plot it down, twist the little top so that it lays flat right there. Glue off my hands. So these tops generally pop right off, and you can also, if you don't want to do Mod Podge, you can fill the ball with the little strips of paper. And just fill it with as many as you like to get whatever decoration style you have. And then you'll see it'll be a nice, fun, glue-free way to create a book ornament. So these are 2 ways that you can use old book pages and glue and little plastic clear ornaments to decorate your holiday tree. I'm actually putting together a bunch of these as kits for you, and it will include the book pages, the plastic ornament, and some little Mod Podge container for you. There are about 30 of them available, so if you want to come to the Holds pickup desk after this video airs, you can pick some up, and there will be one ornament per bag. So I hope you try this out at home and enjoy it and have a wonderful holiday season. Thanks for watching.